How to save on air conditioning repair. Of all the money you pay to the energy providers, heating and cooling systems make up the majority. HVAC repair prices have risen in the past few years due to expensive tools, increase in fuel prices, labor costs, and a rise in transportation costs. But you can still save on air conditioning repair by following these steps. Invest in a pro's advice when buying an air conditioner. Don't pick what commercials glamorize. Invest wisely and do your homework before going out to the market. There are several types of efficient air conditioners in the markets. The first type saves energy and the second one saves repair costs. Both types differ on behalf of the quantity, parts, and complexity. Brands that offer drastic savings on energy generally use a significantly more number of parts which can potentially fail. Replace filters. Air conditioners absorb pollen, viruses, bacteria, mold, pet hair, and a lot of microscopic particles from the surroundings. When filters are blocked by the toxins, the air conditioner consumes more energy to cool the house or office. If you service your air conditioning system regularly and replace the filters on time, then your energy consumption should improve. Select a certified company with quality technicians. It is very important to hire a repair and maintenance contractor who is certified, registered, insured, and has a reputation for performing quality work. This can make the difference in energy consumption of equipment, which affects your budget. Air duct maintenance. On average, 10% to 30% of the cooled air leaks out through the air conditioning systems. This is cooling you pay for but don't receive the benefit of. Thus, all ducts must be airtight and sealed, for the efficient operation of central air conditioning units. To sum it all up, the secret behind a cost-effective operation of your air conditioning unit is proper installation, filtration, servicing, and maintenance, all of which helps keep your utility bills low and your home or office cool and comfortable. Improvise home/office design. Try some other ways to reduce the indoor temperature of the building. For example, use curtains, window treatments, or window film to prevent direct sunlight from entering the building. Tall trees surrounding the building would also reduce the temperature along with detoxifying the air. Improvised building design will let you run the air conditioner at lower temperature and reduced run time, putting less wear on your HVAC system as well as saving you money. http://www.texascentralair.com Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Dave_Kagan/500113